What gets me excited about music production is I've always loved the science of it. I love the technical side of it. So that's always like mixing stuff has always excited me. Coming up with an idea and seeing it through to the end and seeing that finished product's amazing. And you know, if you DJ as well, obviously getting to play that music out to people that are that are loving it, that's always an amazing feeling. Hi, I'm Larry. Get to know I'm here at CR2 Studios. Check out my new course for FaderPro where we make a disco remix using my sample pack Future Disco. For me, the key fundamentals of good production, well, the first thing is great ideas. It doesn't matter how well produced and mixed it is, if it's not something which has got any kind of hook in it or interest for people, then the other things aren't going to kind of save it. There's quite a big reverb tail on one of those claps, or maybe even both of them, so I might just try and take them out a little bit. Yeah, so I like that. So we've cleared up the samples a little bit, got rid of the reverb. What I'm going to try to do as much as possible is show you kind of overarching principles of production, rather than just like check out this compressor on this sound, more like just overall wider, broader ideas of how you use these effects and why you use them, and also tying into kind of the cues that your ear follows to be able to play sound. So you can use compression and EQ to kind of trick the ear into feeling that sounds are close to you or further away or wider or more mono, and that all helps you create depth in your mix. So I'm going to try and, as much as possible, show you specific examples of wider concepts.